I'm about to share with you one of the best ways to get absolutely free traffic to your affiliate marketing or network marketing opportunity. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching this video, I am assuming that you're interested in learning how to get free traffic. All right. Now, there's paid options out there, which a lot of people don't want. But the good news about that is you can actually generate a lot of traffic to whatever it is you're promoting online with free traffic. Now, there are tons and tons of strategies out there that people are teaching, that people are trying to do, that people say is better than the other. But in my opinion, right now, to get eyeballs to whatever it is you're promoting, you should be using shorts. Short videos is what's popping right now. And I'm not just talking about a particular platform. I got my personal favorites, but if you rocking with Instagram, start using IG Reels. All right. If you mess with TikTok, even though some people love TikTok, some people hate TikTok. I personally don't really like TikTok all that great, but whatever. If you into TikTok, use TikTok. Facebook Reels. A lot of people sleeping on Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels is a great way to get traffic to your offers. And of course, you should know about YouTube Shorts right now. And I wouldn't be surprised if another platform came out that was all about, short video, short content. All right. So why do I say Shorts is the best way to get free traffic to your offers? Well, a couple reasons. One, it's easy to create short form videos. Like if you are an affiliate marketer, and a lot of people are new to the game, right? It's like you don't want to be overwhelmed with all of this work. A lot of people say, well, look, I'm still working a 9 to 5 or whatever, but I really want to start making money with affiliate marketing or network marketing. I don't have a lot of time. Well, the ability to be able to create shorts, like you have no excuse, right? Because shorts nowadays can be anywhere from, 15 seconds to a minute long. You see, it's a fact that a 15-second short could generate tons and tons of views. And if you get tons of views to a video and you have an offer connected to that video, that means tons and tons of free traffic. Now, ain't that what we want? So if you are serious about affiliate marketing, network marketing, or whatever you're trying to promote, there's no reason why you can't be creating a good amount of short videos. And keep in mind, your video doesn't have to be you on camera. A lot of people are just, filming their computer screens, right? And making really cool shorts. You put cool music to it. You can even use that text to speech voice lady thing. I do that a lot. You can just put straight up text on the video, right? You can film other things, or which I do, you can be on camera and you can be the one talking in your shorts. Whatever works for you, whatever you feel comfortable with, just getting started is what you need to do. But the bottom line is you need to be doing it. Now, another reason why I say shorts is the best way to get free traffic to your offers is because these platforms are loving shorts, right? They are giving people a lot of views for their short videos, right? It's like it's a hot thing right now. Short content is hot. You can generate a lot of views for a very short piece of content, and I kind of say it's kind of unpredictable, but some people got methods to it, which is fine. But like the most simplest video can get you 10,000 views in 2 days. And if that happens, that can be a lot of clicks to your offers and a lot of money made. So I personally post a lot of short videos on Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts. I really don't mess with TikTok, never really mess with IG Reels or nothing like that. But my advice to you is find 1 or 2 platforms that you really rock with, that you enjoy being on, you enjoy posting on, and start creating short content, right? Just do it. Even if it seems stupid or silly, just post it, because you never know that the video that you're like, this is trash, no one's gonna like this, that could be the video that gets tons and tons of views, thousands of views, and that can really help you out with earning commissions or building up your network marketing opportunity or whatever. So that can really help to start earning more commissions or even building up your network marketing team. So I just got one more piece of advice when it comes to creating shorts. Every short that you make does not have to be a promo. Everything doesn't have to be, hey, buy this or join my team, right? That's fine and dandy. All right, that's cool. But you want to throw in just some, random funny, create some funny reels or shorts or whatever. Have some fun with it. Because remember, somebody might watch a short, and I would make it relative to your niche, whatever you in, right? But you got to remember that sometimes people might just see a short that you wasn't even talking about, an offer or whatever, but they might just like you. That could be a reason why they subscribe to your channel or whatever. And now they're going to start watching your other pieces of content. Then that's where they're going to see the offers and what you're involved with. And that can lead to more commissions, more leads, more exposure, more everything. All right. So just keep that in mind. But the bottom line is start creating shorts, because right now it's hot.